In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create multiple TikTok accounts safely without getting flagged or shadow banned. Now, whether you are a marketer, you are someone who is managing TikTok accounts for your clients, like ad accounts or TikTok for business, and you want to manage multiple TikTok accounts, or you want to create multiple TikTok accounts, then this tutorial is for you. I will be showing you step by step on how you can do this using Multilogin, which is the sponsor of this video. I will be showing you how you can create multiple TikTok accounts safely without worrying about like verification and all of that stuff. Like when TikTok recognizes that you are using multiple TikTok accounts, you will get shadow banned or you will get flagged. Like your video, before you even like post the first video, you will get flagged by TikTok and your video will not get any views. So using Multilogin will help you separate browser profiles, each with different fingerprint, different cookies, and different storage, optional proxy. So each profile you create, it will have a different TikTok account. That way, every profile has a TikTok account and it's different from the other profiles. I will show you how you can set this up because it's very, very easy. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you want to create an account on Multilogin. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to search for Multilogin. Okay, that's the first step, and then you want to create an account on Multilogin. Thankfully, it's very, very easy to do this. Just create an account, and then after that, it's going to look something like this, and then you can start the process. Now, after you are in this page, you just need to click on this plus button here, create, and then you will be able to create the first profile. Now, this first profile, you can add to it a different TikTok account. Okay, like I said, everything is different from this profile, and the second profile you will create and the third profile, everything is separate, like they are separate. Okay, separate browser profiles, like different cookies, different storage, optional proxy. I will show you how we can set this up in just a few seconds. So first, the profile name. For example, if you are managing TikTok accounts for your customers, if you are a freelancer or something like that, you can say something like, you can type here something like TikTok client number 1 or something like that, just to remember it. Okay, now as you can see, and then after that, here the tags, here you can enter here TikTok. By the way, you can use Multilogin for any work. Like for example, you want to create multiple eBay accounts, multiple Facebook accounts, and you don't want like the company to recognize that you are using multiple accounts. The solution is Multilogin. Now, by the way, the promo code is going to be in the description, and also the link is going to be in the description. Okay, so here the tags, just need to enter here tags. Here I'm going to change the color to blue just to remember this. Okay, each profile you can remember it. I will show you in just a few seconds how you can do this, how you can remember each profile. Okay, so here the startup tab behavior, I always go with default by like using this one, which is restore open tabs from your last season. Now here the operating system I am using right now, Windows. You can use Mac or Linux or Android, but I like to use Windows. Here the browser, you can use the default one. Also same thing with the storage. You can use cloud to access profiles across devices, or you can use local to access them only on this device. Okay, so I'm going to click on cloud here. The proxy here, I'm going to use the default proxy, which is by Multilogin. You can use custom proxy if you want, but I always go with Multilogin proxy. Okay, so here the location, here is what you need. Now when you click on location, like for example, if you are managing this TikTok account and the client is from United States, you can just enter here United States and it will use the same location. Okay, whenever you open the profile so that you can access the TikTok account, like the location will be United States. But if he is from another country like Europe, you can just enter here France or Germany or whatever. But if you are using this for personal use, you can use any country you want. Now in my case, I'm going to use United States. Here the region here, it's optional. You don't need to enter anything here. Here the protocol, you can use this or you can use this HTTP. Okay, I always go with default one here. The sticky season, now if you want to keep the IP for as long as possible, you can just leave it like this, which is keep IP for as long as possible. That's exactly what I choose myself. Here the fingerprint, you can customize this, real, disabled, masked, as you can see. Custom here, the time zone, you can choose custom if you want to enter here the time zone, like any time zones you want. I always go with masked. And then after that, after you do this, you just need to scroll down and then click on create. Now as you can see, the profile is created successfully. TikTok client number 1. Now we have created this profile. Now to open the profile so that you can enter or use the profile to access your TikTok account, you can just click on start. That's all you need to do. So when you click on start, it will take you directly so that you can create or you can open your TikTok account. Like I said, everything now is different cookies, different IP address. As you can see, we have set up everything. As you can see, the location is United States, exactly what we added when creating the profile. We selected United States. So what you need to do now is just to search for TikTok, and then you can create an account without any problem. So after that, you just need to enter here. If they ask you here to verify that you are not a robot or something like that, you can just do that, and it will take you only a few seconds. After that, you will click on next. Now as you can see, you can click create, and then you can create the account, or if you already have multiple accounts you are managing, you can just log in into the account and then you can start using. As you can see, the location we used on this profile is United States. So yeah, now I'm going to go back and I will show you how you can create multiple accounts. Okay, so like I said, now I have showed you how to create the first account. By the way, the same process for every profile you create. Now we have already created the first profile. For example, I have named this profile TikTok. I have named this profile TikTok client number 1. So I'm managing this for one client, the first client. You can also name the client here. If you have like client, or if you are managing this yourself, you can just type here the profile name. And if you want to create the second one, the third one, you can create as many as you want, thousands of accounts. You can just click on create, and then you can create another profile. And then after you create the profile, you can do the same steps I showed you at the beginning, and then click on create, and then you will be able, as you can see, this is the second profile. As you can see here, you can name it whatever you want, client number 2, and then you can click on start. The moment you click on start, it will open a new browser. Like I said, it's different from the first browser, different cookies, different IP address, different location. Everything is different. As you can see, the location here is Canada. Compared to the first profile we created, we have selected United States. So that's exactly how you can create multiple TikTok accounts without like worrying about getting flagged or shadow banned. Okay, you can also use phone here if you want to create, like, to have multiple virtual phones. If you want to download the app inside the virtual phone, you can just click on create, and the same process here. Just enter all these device model. You can also enter here device model. If you want, you can just use random. It will just give you or generate or give you like recommended device. When you click on create, it's going to take only a few seconds, and then as you can see, the profile, the device is ready. To start using it, you can just click on start, and then as you can see, you can quickly also install the apps while your profile is running. As you can see, this is how you can do it. Start the mobile profile, tab apps icon at the bottom right corner, and find the app and install. Now that's exactly what you need to do. I will show you how we can do that in just a few seconds. As you can see, the profile is getting ready right now. As you can see, this is the virtual phone. It says here connecting to cloud phone. Like I said, you can use this just like you do with your phone. It's the same, okay? You can download apps, you can access your TikTok account with when you download the TikTok app inside this cloud phone. Like I said, it's like a virtual phone. Like I said, you can use this one and you can create as many as you want. Each account, each TikTok account, you can add a different account there, okay? Different name, different everything. Like I said, if you are a freelancer, you are managing accounts for your clients or whatever, you can just use, or you can create as many accounts as you want. Now, by the way, the promo code is going to be in the description. You will have a very, very good price when you enter the promo code. So take it to your advantage and then take the promo code and then enter it when checkout, when you are trying to select the plan for Multilogin, and then the price will be reduced for you, okay? Only for viewers that are following this channel, there will be a promo code in the description, okay? And also the link of Multilogin. Now, hopefully this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. And yeah, see you in the next tutorial. So before ending this video, I just want to show you how it looks like. This is Play Store. You can download the TikTok app. Like I said, every cloud phone is different from the another cloud phone you will create. Just click on create here in the top left and then you can create another one. Okay, so each one you can name it whatever you want. Now this one I just named it default profile name. You can change it to whatever you want, as you can see here. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. I'm going to stop it. Yeah, that's exactly how you can do this. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.